are watching the T-Bat channel. You are watching the T-Bat channel.
Garden.
Alright guys, and here we have it, a shrimp basil pesto homemade alfredo sauce. This I am so excited for. Oh my god, are you ready? Okay, let's see it. Oh my god. Babe. Oh my god. This is freaking amazing. Buttery, it's cheesy. Holy crap. Damn. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is an amazing dish. This is a homemade shrimp spinach pesto alfredo pasta. $11 for 4 people. You cannot beat that. Please make sure you like and subscribe and check out all my other budget friendly content. My name's Fabian. Thank you for watching the T-Bat channel. Until next time. Bye.